Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Inku crate unboxing video. Very excited for this one. Not this one in particular, just I'm excited to unbox it because it does mean new stationery for me. So this is the card, which I'll put to the side. Oh well, okay, I just noticed this big pencil stand. Well, I guess we're just going to open this one first. So, stationery stand gift set. It's got a ruler, highlighter. I mean, I'm not going to give this to anyone. I'm going to open it for myself. That's why I buy these, so that I can use them. Okay, so it is really cute. There's a bit of styrofoam in it just to keep the pen straight, but obviously you would take that out and then you can just stand it on your table like this. That's so cute. I don't have anything. All mine are just very plain circular ones you get from Muji. But this one is very cute. And then with it comes, looks like a highlighter, which I can test later, a ruler, a really nice ruler, and then a pencil, which, oh, it's in a mechanical pencil. Yeah, it's a mechanical pencil. I thought it looks like a real pencil, but it's actually just a mechanical one. I can also test that at the end of the video too. Okay, and then we have, oh, this is a little pencil keychain. It's so cute, little 3D squishy keychain of a pencil. And then we have, oh, these are like pen stand. Oh, what? Pen stand pencil cap. Do you see this picture here, what it's doing? Let's open this. I thought they were just going to be like caps for pencils, but it kind of is, but not. I mean, you do have one here. Oh yeah, you can take them out. Okay, so these are like little caps that do come with it. You can take them out. There's an eraser at the top, so you can put these in. It's a little like mirror, but not really. You can't really see anything with it. And then I guess if you want to just put your pencils in like this, so then they can just stand. That's cute. That's a really cute concept. And then just fold it up if you want to take it with you. It looks like a clip from the outside, but yeah, it's not. That's cool. I haven't seen that before. And then we have, oh my gosh, I remember these sort of pencils back when I was like a kid. So you know that was ages ago. Pencil that comes with a sharpener. Okay, so just standard pencil. You take it out, sharpener, and it's got like a little lid to it. That's got a bit of sticky tape here to keep the pencil in. And then yeah, if you want to sharpen it, just the lid and the sharpener are one. And it sits pretty okay on it. Like I thought the sticky tape was needed to keep it in, but no, it still stays pretty firm. This looks to be a stamp. A little sushi stamp. By the way, if my voice sounds funny, I apologize. I am currently sick. I feel like ever since I've had a baby, I'm constantly sick. And he's not even in daycare yet, so I'm not even sure how my body will survive. But this is just, I still don't sleep through the night. Like he doesn't sleep through the night, so I'm not sleeping through the night. So I think the lack of sleep is just lowering my immune system considerably. It's so cute. Alright, I'll test this out at the end of the video. And then we have some flake cinnamon roll. Is it cinnamon roll? Yeah, cinnamon roll, Pachaco. I'm not sure the dog's name, but some Sanrio stickers. You can see them here. Here they are, and they're just like glossy paper. I'm always curious to know what the type of paper they use for the stickers are, because if it's washi tape, I'm all over it. I love washi tape sticker flakes, but if they're paper and stuff, I still love them, but I just don't use them as much. And then the final, no, it's not final, second final letter set. So you guys know that I keep the letter sets in a box at the moment, and then when I have enough, I'm going to send them out to that whole pen paling thing, pen pal service or community. That's right. I'm going to try and do that so that they get enough love. So I'm not going to open it for that reason. And then now we're on to the last one. The last one is this really cool cinnamon notebook, cinnamon roll standard notebook. I think we've gotten a few of these notebooks, but just with different characters in the front, which is really nice. I like using these. I leave them at my desk at work actually, because I like using them to take notes in meetings. And yeah, that is everything in this month's Inku crate unboxing. Let's go try out those pens and stamps. So let's try out this pencil first. It looks so different. Like it's not a mechanical pencil in the sense that you can re-lead it. I feel like this, it's like a solid piece of lead, and once you've used it, that's pretty much it. It's not refillable, so that is kind of, oh, Whoops, am I too high? Sorry. Let's try again. It's not the best pencil, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of a bit difficult to use. So, it's so-so. It's not the best. And then let's try out this highlighter. Oh my gosh, it's pink. Okay. Don't you think it would have been so much nicer if the ink was beige as well? Like a nice beige highlighter. I know that's not very common, but I feel like it's a bit of a cop-out to go like bright. It just doesn't go. So, not my favorite set. And finally, we'll try out this stamp, which is really cute, but don't put too much pressure, otherwise you get a very inky stamp. And that is pretty much it for this month's Inku Crate unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Before I wrap up, so I wanted to get the unboxing done first because I know a lot of people only are here for the unboxing, but I wanted to chat just a little bit about plans and what I'm trying to do with this channel, because I feel like I haven't filmed a plan with me in a really long time, and I usually use those videos to chat to you guys and just update you on what's going on in my life. And I don't know, it just feels like all I'm doing is really quick videos right now because I film all these videos during Bub's nap window, because I don't film when he's awake, and he's obviously as a human awake for most of the day, and I film these videos with natural light, so I can only use the nap windows. And in the past, when he was like really little and a newborn, he would sleep for like 2 hours at a time, so I had plenty of time to do a plan with me and really take my time. Now his naps will range from 24 minutes to 45 minutes, but you really don't know what time you're gonna get. So unless Tobias is also here with me, so like one of us can like take him, pick him up when he wakes up, because I obviously don't want to just leave him crying when I'm like filming, I have to intentionally plan really short videos to film. So I just hope that clears it up, because I do know that there's been a shift in the type of content I've been filming. And I know that a lot of you guys really love the like longer waffly videos, because I love those videos too. Personally, I love watching those videos, and I tend to watch them at night, because once he goes to bed at night, I then have like a 3, 4, 5 hour gap, depending how much or how little sleep I want to give myself, to do all my work. And that's usually when I edit my videos and when I work on sticker orders and stuff like that. So I know that's something that you guys might miss. I don't know. I get some messages where you're like, I wish you would just like do the longer videos, but then when I do the longer videos, not as many people watch them, so I'm like, I don't know if you guys like them or not, but I mean, I like them. So I did want to take this time to just talk a little bit through my thoughts on how I'm hoping to mitigate that. So since I have a lot more time in the evenings to film, I'm thinking I might try filming some of these videos at night, which is going to be challenging because obviously I don't have as much lighting. Like the natural light, you can't beat natural light, so it's going to be a little harder. I am going to work on trying to set up this little filming station with a few more artificial lights and see what they're like. The reason I don't love artificial light is because it casts really harsh shadows on the paper. So like if I'm holding a pen just above, like right now, can you see how there's not like a heavy shadow beneath it? But you can kind of see a shadow just here for it. If I used an artificial light, it would be much more obvious and it would be pretty harsh. With natural light, everything is diffused, so everything feels lighter and more airy. So that's the reason I've always filmed during the day, and I've been doing that for years. And I don't know if I want to do more long form content where I sit here and do plan with me's, because I do miss doing my plan with me's. I still do update my journals and everything, but you'll notice that I tend to do them either in the shorts because they're much faster and I can be really quick about it, and I only do like little snippets of it, or I just do it offline when I need to like relax and just unwind with something. So that is something I am looking into, because I would like to bring back longer form videos. I am also going to be uploading some happy clouding vlogs coming up, and maybe it's just some general life vlogs too. I'm not quite sure. Those sort of all intertwine with journaling somehow. I haven't quite worked out how I want to structure those vlogs. I've been really loving like a day in the life sort of thing, where I show you guys what I do and then how I manage the sticker shop as well as filming for YouTube. But when you film those sort of videos, a lot more time is taken up just setting up the camera, getting the right angles, and then obviously when I'm doing day in the life, Bubs is around, so I need to make sure the shots don't include him. And it's just it's kind of a bit hectic. So those have been a bit challenging, but I would like to get to them too, and so that hopefully varies the content a little bit. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you a heads up as to what I'm planning for the channel, how I'm planning to move forward with it. While I love these like short, quick videos, I'm not as passionate about them as doing some more creative videos, so that's something I'm trying to work on. If you guys want to keep up to date with what's happening in my life, then be sure to follow me on Instagram on A Beautiful Fable. I update that really often. I'm trying to be a little bit more consistent with my stories so that I can give more like real life updates or same time updates or something like that. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for your patience. If you do have any content requests, ideas, if you guys do YouTube and are a mum as well, let me know how you manage it. YouTube, business, job, baby, I don't know. Like, I'm still figuring it all out, and that's probably, you can see that reflected in the content I'm producing. But yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.